Everybody dance, don't stop. I just need a minute to find out what I'm feeling, cause I'm about to go nuts. And my demon's trying to say what's up. I've been waiting for this my whole life. Wanna do it again 3, 4 times, cause it's better than a Gene Highway with young Lean. I will never get it.
Hi guys, welcome to Wrapsesh. I am Space Cadet Vinyl Vixen, and this is my partner in crime, Slim Shetty. Whoa.
Whoa.
And we are Wrapsesh. This week we are revealing a super custom one that I'm so excited for, because you guys know I'm all about galaxy and being out in outer space and...
You like it, the space.
Guardians of the Galaxy. I like the space. I love doing galaxy. It's one of my favorite things to do. The
final frontier.
One of the things that really kind of drew me into rapping in the first place. Like, that's the first way I wrap my bike, and anytime we do galaxy, it's something special for me. So this was a really cool collab that we did with Corsa Auto Designs. This is our first time working with him. He's a really amazing designer. They actually had the print done through another shop, and I don't even know their name. I feel really bad.
Why don't we know the name?
They didn't send any logos or anything. But somebody else printed it on the Auralite 5600 reflective print jet vinyl. We've used this reflective before. It's a really great film. Kind of hard to work with, higher tack.
Very tacky. You could probably use a tack reducer if you would like.
Yes.
It would help.
But Oracal, they have some of the larger reflective printable vinyls on the market. They have 54-inch and 60-inch, which most reflectives are 48-inch. AKA you have to do the hood or sometimes the hip in like 2 pieces with a seam, which we don't usually like to do.
No.
So that's why we went over to this film. Turned out super amazing. I'm sure it's based off of some particular nebula. I'll find out sooner or later.
Not too sure. There's millions, so.
If you guys want to keep up with the car, his Instagram is Cosmic I8. He mobs this thing around in an alien costume, like he is totally on our level of Space Cadet. Check it out. We hope you enjoy.
My baby, I'm hesitating, and I don't know why. I don't know where we're going, don't know if I want to, even if I told you. Now my heart has changed its mind. Hey, listen, you need to understand, there's nothing wrong with you. I didn't mean to trick you into things I didn't want to. Never meant to hurt you, never meant to make you cry. No, I don't know if I wanna stay or go. Lately, my love for you has been covered in maybes. I guess it's stuff I'm going through, and maybe I just need to be alone. I can't pretend I'm pretty baby. I know we can't be friends. That's why I took some time to figure out what I really want. It's crazy to even think about leaving us behind when we spent all of this time. I know we have it good. I thought it was me and you, we were true, but something doesn't feel right. No, I don't know if I wanna stay or go. Lately, my love for you has been covered in maybes. I guess it's stuff I'm going through, and maybe I just need to be alone for a while. Lately, my love for you has been covered in maybes. I guess it's stuff I'm going through, and maybe I just need to be alone for a while. I'm walking away, so slowly. I'm walking away, don't know where I'm heading, just know that I'm going, so I keep on walking away. I'm saying bye. I'm walking away. way. Don't know where I'm heading, just know that I'm going. So I keep on walking away. No, I don't know if I wanna stay or go.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed our Cosmic I8 episode this week. Something super near and dear to my heart. It's a crown jewel.
Yeah, I mean,
or an antenna bobble.
I mean, it is reflective galaxy. You can't
go wrong. It's classic.
Yeah.
It's classic.
So,
if you guys want to go above and beyond into space, make sure to email us at wrapseshaz@gmail.com for an estimate. You can keep up with our daily fun and shenanigans. You shook it too hard.
Dang it.
You can keep up with our daily shenanigans on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok at wrapsesh.az and Vinyl Vixen Wraps. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you dig the Wrapsesh vibe. And we'll see you next week.
Later.
Everybody dance, don't stop. I just need a minute to find out what I'm feeling, 'cause I'm about to go nuts. And I love what I feel.